Let us find out the location, actual location, and the extent of Brazil, India first. We know India, the name of the India is the Republic of India. The actual name of India is a Republic of India. Republic of India, it means India is run by the public. The entire power is in the hand of public. And our constitution gives us a lot of powers that we all, one of the biggest and the greatest constitution we have. And that is why the name of India is the Republic of India. The capital, we all know, the capital of India is New Delhi. Now, it is a very important part of Asia. We know that Asia, also the biggest continent that we know, and the India is located in the southern part of Asia as well. Now let us see the latitudinal extent and the longitudinal extent of India. My friend, we know any region is located with the help of latitude and longitude. Now, this is a small homework to you all, that find what is meant by latitude and what is meant by longitude, and how many latitudes and longitudes are there. You just search, you can go through and find out the answers, that what is meant by latitude. We already discussed it in some previous years as well. So let us see the actual locational extent of India. Basically, when we want to locate India latitudinal wise, the latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute 66 minute north latitude. I repeat once again, the latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude, and it is located in between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. This is the actual latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. And with the help of this latitudinal and the longitudinal extent, we come to know that India is located in the northern hemisphere. India is located in the northern hemisphere, as well as it is a part of eastern hemisphere as well. It means this longitudinal extent gives us an idea about the hemisphere. We know the entire world is divided into four hemispheres: northern hemisphere, again southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, and western hemisphere. Again, one work to you, one questions to you, find out why and who make it the hemisphere. What, because of why we divide Earth into these four hemisphere. This is one questions to you. Just find out it. So this is the longitudinal and the latitudinal extent of India. It is very important part of northern hemisphere, because why the location of India is so important, that we are going to discuss in details. Now, but right now, only the longitudinal extent of India and the latitudinal extent of India. Please go through the map and find out the longitudinal extent and the latitudinal extent of India, and the latitude and the longitude. Now, if you see from north to south, India is a very big country, like a subcontinent. India is a very big country, like a subcontinent. And we know that Indira Point is the southmost tip of India. Again, there is a very confusion and question may ask for your SSC board exam. Uh, which is the southmost part of India, which is the southmost tip of India, or which is the southmost part of Indian subcontinent? These questions is little bit confusing. When we're talking about the southmost tip of India, that is Indira Point, and it is located at 6 degree 45 minutes north parallel. When we question is asked, which is the southmost part of Indian subcontinent, and that is Kanyakumari. So just go through these 2 points as well when you have a map with you. So southmost tip of India is Indira Point, and which is located at 6 degree 45 minutes north latitude. If you observe the map of India that is in your textbook on page number 10, that is the political map of India. it gives a clear-cut idea about India. So please go through this map. It is a very important map which is given to you in your textbook. This map gives us an idea about the neighboring country of India. As we already talked, that India is a part of Asia, South Asia. It is located in the South Asia. But which countries are sharing their border with India? That is also a very important part. And from east, if you see towards east, from eastern side, the two important countries are there which share a common border with India, that is Myanmar and Bangladesh. From northern side, Nepal, Bhutan, China, these three countries share their common border with India. Towards west, it is not actually the west, it is northwest, and towards northwest it is Pakistan and Afghanistan. The western border is being controlled or covered by the Arabian Sea, whereas towards east, the Bay of Bengal, and exactly towards north, there is Indian Ocean. So these three ocean is covered Indian border and towards north side as well. So these countries, there are total 7 countries. They share their common border with India. Sri Lanka and Sri Lanka is not sharing their common border with India, but it is a neighboring country of India as well. So these are some of the basic information of India's location and the extent. This is a very important part. Please go through the map and find out the entire location and the neighboring countries of India as well. Now let us move towards Brazil. My friend, Brazil, as we know, it is a part of South American continent. It is a part of South American continent. And basically, when we're talking about Brazil, Brazil also, its name is the Federative Republic of Brazil, or federal system is there. In India, we know that the republic system, whereas in Brazil, the federal system is there, and that is why in India the president, where is in Brazil, there in India the president is there, where in Brazil the president is now there. So basically, when we're talking about Brazil, the name of the Brazil is Federative Republic of Brazil, and the capital of the Brazil is Brasilia. The capital of the Brazil is Brasilia. Now, if you're talking about the locational extent of Brazil, it is very important. It is very important part that we can see, because some part of the Brazil is in the northern hemisphere, and some parts of the most of the part of the Brazil is in southern hemisphere. Just remember, some part of the Brazil is in northern hemisphere, and some parts of the Brazil is in southern. Most of the part, sorry, some part of the Brazil is in northern hemisphere, and most of the part of the Brazil is in southern hemisphere. Why? Again, you have to find out why. Because of which? Because of what? Some part of the Brazil is in northern hemisphere, and most of the part of the Brazil is in southern hemisphere. You have to find out the answer as of this question. Whereas some parts of the that Brazil, most of the part of the Brazil that we can see is in western hemisphere as well. Now, if you compare India, India is in northern hemisphere, and what is the dissimilarity of India and Brazil? Brazil is in northern hemisphere as well as in southern hemisphere as well. This is one dissimilarity of the India and Brazil. India is located in eastern hemisphere, whereas Brazil is located in western hemisphere. So this is also a very important part of the location of these two countries. So as we'll talk, Brazil is a part of South American continent. Now, again, if you see Brazil, Brazil is the fourth largest country in the world in terms of area. Brazil is the fourth largest country of the world in terms of area. Now let us move towards the longitudinal extent of Brazil. So when you're talking about the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of the Brazil, Brazil is located in the 5 degree 15 minutes north into 33 degree 40 minutes south latitude. Now, if you see India, it is in the northern hemisphere. That is why the longitudinal extent, that is why the latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. And if you compare the longitudinal extent of Brazil to India, then you may find the difference. The actual latitudinal extent of Brazil is 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude. Whereas the longitudinal extent of Brazil is 34 degree 47 minute west, 34 degree 47 minute west to 73 degree 48 minute west longitudes. It means it is located in the western hemisphere. So this is the longitudinal and the latitudinal extent of Brazil. Now if you see the political map of Brazil, which is on page number 11 in your textbook, you may find that the eastern part of the Brazil, that is northeast and southeast, both is being covered by the Atlantic Ocean. Towards north, it is North Atlantic Ocean, whereas towards south, it is South Atlantic Ocean. And towards north, Brazil shares a common border with French Guiana, Suriname, and Guyana. These are the three South American countries which share a common border with Brazil from north. They are French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, and Venezuela as well. Whereas towards west, Brazil is shared a common border with Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, and Paraguay, and some parts of Argentina as well. And south, towards south, Brazil share a common border with Uruguay. So this is the Brazil and the locational extent of Brazil. These some uh, countries that we see how they share their common border with Brazil as well. It's a very important uh, part that you have to go through the maps which is in your textbook, so that you will find the locational extent of Brazil as well as the country, the surrounding country of the India and Brazil as well.